Now see, we are doing sums based on volume of cube and cubed, and it is given in your exercise 13.5. okay, it is totally based on volume of cube and cubed. Now let us recall the formula for volume of cubed. Volume of cubed is L into B into H, cubic unit, and volume of cube is L cube, length into length into length, because in cube L is equal to B is equal to H. So now we are solving sums based on these two formula. Now sum number 1, a matchbox measures 4 cm by 2.5 cm by 1.5 cm. मतलब length is 4 cm, B is 2.5 cm and H is 1.5 cm. What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes? मतलब first we find out volume of one matchbox. okay, volume of one matchbox. Volume of one matchbox is L into B into H. So that is, for length I write 4, for B I write 2.5, and for H I will write 1.5 centimeter cube. So if I multiply, it is 4 into 2.5 matlab 10. 10 into 1.5 centimeter cube. So volume of one matchbox is 15 centimeter cube. But we are asked to find out volume of 12 matchbox. How many? 12 matchbox. So volume of 12 matchbox. See, 12 into volume of one matchbox. So it is 12 into volume of one matchbox is 15. That is 180 centimeter cube. Clear? Now you try the second one. Second sum is, a cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. First you find out volume in meter cube, and then you multiply it with 1000, you will get volume in liter. So that gives you how many liter of water can it hold. Okay, so first I will find out volume of tank, that is L into B into H. So that is 6 into 5 into 4.5 meter cube. Okay, 6.6 into 5 is 30. 30 into 4.5. 34 ja 120 and 30 15. 120 and 15. So it is 135 meter cube. But you are asked to find out how many liters. So total number of liters of water a tank can hold 135 into 1000 liter of water. Okay, so it is 135,000. So it is 1,35,000 liter water is the capacity of a tank. Okay, volume of vessel is given as actually according to formula it is L into B into H, but volume of vessel is given as 380. Length is given as 10, B is given as 8, and this is H. So what is my H? 380 upon 10 into 8. So it is 19 by 4. So it is 4 integer 3 by 4 meter cube. मतलब 4.75 meter cube. Okay. Sorry, meter. It's not meter cube. Height is always measured in meter. So answer is 4.75 meter. Height of this vessel is 4.75 meter. Okay. Now next sum. Sum is find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter square. So for this we should find out first volume of a pit. Okay. What is volume of pit? Is L into B into H. This is a very simplest exercise. Okay. 3.1 and 3.1 and this 3.5. Very simple exercise because it is about cube and cuboid. First is about surface area and volume, and second is about volume. Volume of pit is L into B into H. Clear? So it is 8 into 6 into 3. So it is 144 meter cube. This much is the volume. Now, at rate of rupees 30 per meter cube, what is the total cost? Total cost is volume multiplied by the rate per meter cube. So 30. So it is 144 into 30. So it is rupees 4320. Clear? Now next sum is the capacity of cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter. Okay, capacity matlab volume is given 50,000 liter of water. Find the width of the tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. You know 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. Okay, so first we find out capacity of tank in meter cube. Okay, capacity of tank is 50,000 liter divided by 1000. So that is 50 meter cube, because 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. Because everything is given in terms of meter, so I should get volume also in meter cube. Now you know volume of tank is L into B into H. Volume of tank we calculated 50 meter cube. Length is given as 2.5. B is not given. And H is given as 10. So it is 50 is equal to 25 into B. So my width is 50 by 25. So it should be 2 meter. Okay. Clear? Next sum is, in a village having a population of 4,000 required 150 liter of water per head per day. एक आदमी को 150 लीटर वाटर चाहिए एक दिन का. There are 4,000 people and it has a tank measuring 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter. For how many days will the water of this tank last? First off, we find out water required per head. Okay, what is given? Water required per head. Water required per head per day. Okay, is 150 liter. Okay, so water required for 4 4,000 people per day. Per day is 4,000 multiplied by 150 liter. But I want to get my answer in meter cube. Okay, so it is 4,000 into 150 liter, this is liter, divide by 1,000, because 1,000 liter is 1 meter cube. So 30 cancel. So it is 600 meter cube. Okay, this many water, this much water required per day. Now total capacity of tank. Capacity of tank is, or volume of tank is L into B into H. So it is 20 into 15 into 6 meter cube. Clear? So it is 1800 meter cube. Okay. So number of days, water of tank last is total volume divided by volume required per day. Okay, per day. Okay, so it is 1800 divided by 600. So what is it? 3 days. So 3 days, number of days are 3 days, water of tank last. 3 दिन तक वो पानी चलेगा. Clear? Now next sum is a godown measures 40 meter by 25 meter by 10 meter. These are the measurement of godown, cuboid. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter by 1.25 meter by 0.5 meter, that can be stored in the godown. Okay, number of wooden crate. Is equal to, according to previous sum, it is volume of godown upon volume of one crate. Volume of crates. Okay, now volume of godown is L into B into S, so 40 into 25 into 10. Clear? And volume of crate is 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. So now the calculation should be done by removing the decimal. So it is 40 into 25 into 10 upon, मैं लिख दूं वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्रेट के लिए 15 by 10 into 125 by 100 into 5 by 10. Clear? So what we are going to get? देखो 25 5 या. Clear? Clear? अगर इसको मैं इस तरह से लिख दूं 40 into 10 into 10 into 100 into 10 upon 15 into 5 into 5. अभी कैंसल करो. 5 3 जा, 5 8 जा. ओके, नाउ 5 2 जा, 5 2 जा. What is left? 8 2 जा 16, 2 जा 32, 32,000 by 3. So it approximately it is 10666.6. 10666.3. So approximately it is 10667. Clear? So number of crates are is equal to 10,667. Clear? Now next, a solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface area. Now see, first I will find out volume of solid cube. Volume of solid cube, big cube, is suppose V. So it is L cube. Right? So it is 12 into 12 into 12. That is this many centimeter cube. I don't do calculation just now, okay? Now it divide into 8 cube, okay? It is divided into 8 cubes. Let length of new cube, let length is L1 centimeter. So naturally volume of this small cube is L1 cube. So volume of 6 small cube. See, you are given small cube is having length, cuboid बनाना है उसका, कितना क्या बनाना है? See again, a solid cube of side 12 centimeters is cut into 8 cubes, okay, of equal volume. Okay, what will be the side of new cube? So first length of new cube I have taken as 6. Now what is volume of each cube? Volume of each cube is volume of solid cube divided by 6, and that is nothing but L1 cube. So it is 12 into 12 into 12 upon 6, 8 cube, 6 nahi 8, there are 8 such cube, upon 8 is L1 cube. So I am going to get L1 cube is 6 into 6 into 6. So my L1 is 6 centimeter square. You are asked to find out, yes, वो तो हो गया, बराबर? See, a solid cube of this is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of new cube? Side of new cube is 6 centimeter. Now you are asked to find out ratio between their surface area. Now see, total surface area of solid cube is 6 L square, that is 6 into 12 into 12, and volume of small cube is 6 into L1 square. So that is 6 into 6 into 8 in, 6 into 6 into 6. Total surface area of small cube is this. So what is S1 is to S2 is 6 into 12 into 12 is to 6 into 6 into 6. So it is 4 is to 1, okay, 4 is to 1. So this is suppose my S1 and this is suppose my S2. So S1 is to S2 is 4 is to 1. Clear? Now next sum. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at a rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into sea in a minute? First here what is given? Height is given as H is given as 3 meter and B is given as 40 meter, and I am asked to find out L, question mark. Now length is nothing but L is L is a length. Length is nothing but distance covered by river in 1 minute. Okay, distance covered by water in 1 minute. So for that I should find out velocity should be multiplied with velocity of water into time. Okay, now velocity of water I should calculate in terms of meter per minute. Okay, so that is water fall in matlab velocity is 2 kilometer per hour. So 2 kilometer is 2000 meter, right? And hour का minute कर दो 60. This is meter per minute. That should be multiplied with 1 minute. Okay. So my answer is 100 by 3 meter. Okay. This is my length. So water fall in a sea is nothing but the volume of the water fall into sea in 1 minute is L into B into H. That is total volume of that, right? So 3 into 40 into 100 by 3. 3 gaya. So it is 4000 meter cube. This much water fall into the sea. Clear? तो स्पीड को जो किलोमीटर पर आवर है उसको मीटर पर मिनट कर देने का. Okay, because you are asked to find out distance in 1 minute, so you should take care. Okay.